Excuse me, can I make it beatbox? I can show you how you can really make your bank rock. Learn to invest in property. It's called Bird Dog Real Estate. Anyone can do it, and I put that on Heaven's Gates. Find it for sale by owner or a vacant property. Talk to motivated sellers, money like the lottery. Hey there, Bird Dog fam. It's Ellie here, aka QBDG, Queen Bird Dog Guru from BDRE, Bird Dog Real Estate. And today, we're just going to figure out who is QBDG, who am I, who is Ellie. So, some of you may know my backstory a little bit from back in 2017 when I first got started in real estate investing as a bird dog. At that time, my ex-husband and I went to a real estate investing seminar to learn how to flip houses. And we learned that during that particular process, flipping houses wasn't going to be for us at that particular time. And so through some studying and digging deep, I found out about wholesaling and then eventually bird dogging. And that was how I got started. And so many of you watching this video may be from our Facebook group, Bird Dog Real Estate, and that somewhat documents my journey from being a bird dog to becoming a wholesaler. And on our website, I do have an ebook that documents that entire process along with you being able to learn the steps that I took along with a few others. So a little bit about me and my experience in real estate investing other than being a wholesaler and a bird dog. I was also an acquisitions manager for an apartment complex buyer. I was a wholesale real estate business partner, and we had over 5 bird dogs and employees on our team. I was a wholesale business acquisitions manager for 6-figure earners. I have done independent JV wholesale deals. I have wholesaled myself direct from seller to buyer. And when I was a bird dog, I made over $4,750 in my first year. And here I do have a copy of 4 different deals that I have done as a wholesaler. This one at the top that was closed on February 8th, 2018. I made an assignment fee of $1,375. The second one here that was closed August 29th, 2017 at Delta Services Title Company. I made $1,000. On this next deal that was closed November 9th, 2017, I made $1,250. And this last one here that was closed June 18th, 2018, I made $1,600. Other documentation of these particular deals are on these HUD statement documents. So for when I made $1,000, this is the HUD statement here. And when I made $1,375, here is this statement. As a wholesaler, you can request your HUD statement documents at the end of closing. Sometimes you may have to request it from either the seller or the buyer. It depends on the title company, but usually I don't have an issue with it. I have before, however, from 2 different title companies. They were pretty easy with me, and then others as well. And so I do have other examples on the BDRE website. However, I just wanted this to be a soft introduction to who I am and what BDRE is in general. And so we also have, like I said before, our Facebook group that has roughly 13,000 members presently in 2023. We also have a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, a TikTok page, all with the handle at Bird Dog Real Estate, and our Twitter handle is at REI Bird Dog. I greatly encourage you to join our website and app where everything is posted there firsthand before it would ever hit social media, or it will exclusively be on our website and not ever hit social media at all. Thank you so much. This has been Ellie, aka QBDG, Queen Bird Dog Guru from BDRE, Bird Dog Real Estate. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks, Bird Dog fam. I feel like a walking business that can be an entity. In fact, that is what it is. I'm talking about BDRE. Yes, it's on the blockchain. You can invest secretly. 22 a few dollars worth no 2023. Non-fungible tokens. You can invest discreetly. Get your money locked away. I'm talking 570.